Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Camila Busquet, and on today's episode, we're gonna be reviewing some hair products from the Australian Organic. You guys loved the previous video that I did on reviewing the Bondi Boost hair products, and the Australian Organic found that video, reached out to me, and asked me if I could do a similar one with their hair products. I couldn't say no because I love trying out different hair products. I have yet to find like the hair product that I absolutely adore and can't go without. So let's see if this one is it. First of all, beautiful packaging. Very nice shiny box. The Australian Organic. Choose organic with the finest ingredients. Now, as you can probably tell, I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna be trying these in a few days when my next hair wash day is, and I'll be giving you a full review after at least trying it 2 or 3 times because I don't wash my hair every day, so that might be in a week or 2. Let's unpack, shall we? All right, so let's take a flip. All right, so this is the packaging. They have an exclusive Facebook group where there is discounts and access to members only sales. And they have social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And here we have a discount code for 20% off. Now, right off the bat, one of my biggest pet peeves is when a company calls themselves organic, but then they use that amount of plastic. It would have been enough to just wrap this part in plastic. Save the wildlife. Stop using so much plastic. Now, I'm trying out their Scalp Care conditioner and shampoo, and in their line they also have a hair growth mask and a hair growth serum. Now, as you may know from my previous videos, I'm not one to follow like a 5-step routine, or 4-step in this case. I'm very basic. I barely ever use conditioner, so let's see if I actually end up using these. I'm actually grateful that they sent smaller packages of these products, because otherwise I don't know if I would use them. I'd probably end up giving them away to a friend or family member. Let's start with the shampoo, read out the ingredients and its perks. So it says, strengthens, restores, and moisturizing. I feel like that's gotta be a grammatical error. Strengthens, restores, and moisturizes would be the right way to write this headline. You shouldn't have an active tense if the other ones are passive. Anyways, a little bit of feedback. Y'all know I'm a big provider of feedback. I worked in tech and I used to do a lot of QA or quality assurance, so I try to bring that same quality and knowledge to everything I review on this YouTube channel. This says, it infuses moisture into dry and damaged scalp and hair, strengthens hair with follicles, improves scalp circulation, reduces flaky scalp, which I have right now. It's winter in Canada and my scalp is a little dry. Strengthens skin natural barrier and reduces scalp irritation. Very gentle and colored and chemically treated hair. Don't have to worry about that. I've never dyed my hair, never treated it either. Nourishes scalp, ready for natural hair growth. Yes, let's get some hair growth. My hair usually grows really quickly, and as of recently, I found that it hasn't been growing as quickly as usual. I'm not sure if that's because it's a particularly dry winter here in Canada or because I'm getting a really dry, flaky scalp. Who knows? But let's hope that this shampoo line helps with that. It says it's an organic product, it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's dermatologically tested, lab tested, and there's no toxic chemicals. It is also formulated in Australia. It says strengthens, restores, and moisturizing. Moisturizes, people, moisturizes, not ing. For the treatment of dry and damaged scalp and hair, revitalizes hair appearance, improves scalp hair quality and health, promotes stronger, fuller, and thicker. I don't know who checked the spelling on these, but it can't have been more than one person. I can't imagine that these grammatical errors have gone through multiple people and have not been flagged. All in all, they're pretty good sized. They are 500 milliliters, which usually lasts me around 4 to 6 months. And I have 2 little packages of the hair mask and 2 little packages of the hair serum. Let's get all this ton of plastic off and try it out in a few days. Not only is it not eco-friendly, it's super hard to get off this type of plastic. So, big recommendation to their product team. Please don't use this much plastic. It's only going to waste. It'll probably save you on costs. It'll save your customers from frustration. It's going to help the environment if you lessen this amount of plastic on your packaging. Taking you up close to show you my dry and flaky scalp. As you can see, it needs a little bit of love. So I'm really excited to try the hair mask, which they say to put all the way from your roots to your ends. And hopefully the shampoo is also going to help, because that's absolutely what it's aiming to do. So this is right after my shower using another shampoo. Alright, so update. I tried the shampoo and conditioner this morning, and one of the perks of the product bottles is that the conditioner has a fully black bottle and the shampoo has like a silver label on part of it. And as you can tell, I wear glasses, and when I'm in the shower, I can't see anything. Usually I have a really hard time distinguishing like which bottle is which. I really appreciated the fact that there was the 2 different colors and that it was easy for me to distinguish. Now I know that the silver one is shampoo and the fully black one is the conditioner. So 2 thumbs up. Now I shampooed my hair a full at least 12 hours ago, and it still smells amazing. This scent is like very luxurious. I mean, Argan Oil smells amazing. And so being the main product that's in there just makes it really nice smelling. And throughout the day, I would like catch a swift of my hair scent, and I was like, who smells like this? It was me. So yeah, all in all, and my hair is like super silky soft right now. I mean, I still have dandruff, because let's be real, like 1 use only, but I'll keep reporting. It does overall feel like everything is more moisturized. So 2 thumbs up on the formula and half a thumb up for the packaging. And here is my day 1 dandruff report. So as you can see, there's a little bit of flakiness, but overall it's already better. I can't even believe it. This is really good. Good morning from my bed, head, and eye. So I've been using the Australian Organic shampoo for about a week now, and that means I've washed my hair 3 to 4 times with it now. And this is day 2. So I washed my hair yesterday, and the day before I've tried their hair mask for the first time. Honestly, my hair is super hydrated. It looks really good. Maybe a little bit of dry shampoo will give it that liveliness it needs again. But in terms of my scalp, it's doing so much better. Oh my god. As you could tell from the previous clip, like all of this was dry before. So yeah, I've got to say that's a pretty big improvement. I'm not gonna say I'm fully rid of dandruff, but it's an improvement, that's for sure. Now I'm gonna give a try to the serum, which I haven't yet, so I guess this will turn into a 2-week review rather than a just 1-week review. So stay tuned. And so I've been using the Australian Organic for 3 weeks now. And this morning I did a full hair mask. I put a little bit of hair serum in, and I have like 0 frizz. My scalp is looking, it's looking great. Like there is absolutely no dandruff in it. So overall, I would highly recommend it. I really enjoyed the fact that the shampoo bottle had like a silver part to it, whereas the conditioner was fully black. That really helped me out as somebody that wears glasses and doesn't wear them in the shower. And other than that, the hair mask, I mean, you really have to rinse it off fully. Today, I realized I didn't, and so my hair feels a little bit weighted down, but I think it's just a matter because I didn't rinse it for long enough. Other days, I've tried the hair mask and my hair was looking fabulous without having a little bit of like clumping of my hair, if you know what I mean. And the hair serum, really good as well, very moisturizing. I just feel like overall I have no dandruff, barely any frizz, and my hair is just very well hydrated, which it wasn't necessarily prior. So I want to give a big shout out to Elena at The Natural Organics. She reached out to me and got in contact with me for this collaboration, and overall I would recommend the Australian Organic. I just really hope they fix those little spelling mistakes on their packaging, as well as use less plastic for the overall like shipping. Have a good one. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really love making these review videos. If you're a company looking to get some reviews about organic products, natural products, whether that's in beauty, fashion, or even home design, let me know. Have a great day, everyone. Mwah.